For your entertainment, Casa Paraíso has a game room and den equipped with projector and screen. To use the system, locate the Harmony all-in-one remote control. With this remote, you can power on and off the Epson projector, as well as choose your app and channels on the OnGo receiver. To get started, lower the blackout shades and projector by using the remotes near the receiver shelves. Once lowered, turn the projector on first by using the remote control and pointing it at the projector, which is on the ceiling to the right. At the bottom left of the remote's digital screen, there is an icon for the input you want to control. Choose the Epson projector listed on the white screen. Press the toggle power on the green screen to power it on. You will see the word Epson projected onto the screen when it is powered up. Now for the receiver. Press the bottom left icon again, now showing as the back button arrow. From the white input screen, now choose the OnGo receiver. Press the toggle power on the green screen while pointing the remote at the receiver to power it on. Now your receiver is on. Press the home button at the top right of the remote and choose Watch Network TV. This will load all of the available apps such as YouTube TV and all other smart TV apps you prefer. Log in with your accounts and enjoy the theater experience. To power off, use the white input screen. Back button to choose the receiver, toggle off. Back button to choose the projector and toggle off. Please always raise the projector screen when not in use. And always return the Harmony remote control to its charging station above the fireplace.